Good day, everyone. By the way, I am Jessamine Bayo, and I'm from Roman C. Villalon Memorial Colleges Foundation Incorporated. I'm here today to talk about why taking up education is a good choice, especially for grade 12 students who are about to graduate. Choosing a course is not easy because it will affect your future, your career, and even your personal life. That is why I want to share with you why teaching is a meaningful and practical that you can consider. Teaching is not just a job that you apply for after college. It is something that needs patience, effort, and dedication. Many people say that teachers shape the future, and that is really true. Every professional we see today, doctors, engineers, police officers, and even leaders, were once students who learned from their teachers. Without teachers, it would be hard for anyone to reach their goals. That is why choosing to become a teacher means you are choosing to help others succeed, not just yourself. Teachers have a very important role in the lives of students. They are not only here to discuss lessons or give activities, they also guide questions in the right direction. Sometimes, students go through problems at home or in school, and teachers become someone they can trust and talk to. In many ways, teachers act like second parents inside the classroom. They help students build confidence, discipline, and good values that they can carry until they grow up. Because of this, teaching is considered a respected profession in our society. In the Philippines, teachers are also protected by laws that give them rights. First, they have the right to be respected at all times. Students and even parents should treat teachers properly because they are professionals. Second, teachers have the right to receive a fair salary. Even though many people say teachers are underpaid, the government continues to improve their compensation. And third, teachers have academic freedom. This means they can choose the best way to teach their lessons so that students can understand better. These rights are important because they help teachers to do their job with confidence and security. And aside from rights, teachers also receive different benefits and privileges. They are given paid leaves and vacation time, which is important because teaching can be so tiring. They also receive government benefits such as GSIS, health insurance, and other support systems. These benefits help teachers feel secure, especially when it comes to their health and future. Teachers are also given opportunities to attend seminars, trainings, and workshops. These activities help them improve their skills and become better educators. So teaching is not just about staying the same. It is also about continuous learning. Another good thing about teaching is job stability. Once you become a teacher, especially in public schools, you can have a stable job and regular income. This is important, especially in today's time where many jobs are not permanent. Teachers also receive retirement benefits after years of service, which means they still have support even they stop working. Some teachers even get the chance to work abroad, where they can earn more and experience teaching in different countries. This shows that teaching can open many opportunities, not only here but also internationally. We also want to be honest that teaching is not always easy. It requires a lot of patience, especially when dealing with different kind of students. Some students are fast learners while others needs more time and attention. Teachers also prepare lesson plans, check papers, and manage the classroom every day. There are times when they feel tired or stressed because of their responsibilities, but despite all these challenges, many teachers still choose to stay in this profession. Why? Because teaching is fulfilling. The happiness of seeing a student learn something new, improve in their student studies, or achieve their dreams in something that cannot be compared to anything else. Imagine a students thanking you because you helped them pass a subject or inspire them to continue studying. Those simple moments make all the hard work worth it. That is the kind of fulfillment that teaching gives. Teaching is a simple but meaningful profession. It may not always be easy, but it gives you a chance to make a difference in other people's lives. It offers stability, benefits, and opportunity for growth. More importantly, it gives you a sense of purpose, knowing that you are helping shape the future generation. Also, as a future teacher, it is important to remember that teaching is a continuous learning process. Even if you already finish your degree and become a licensed teacher, the learning does not stop there. Every day inside a classroom is a new experience. You meet different students with different personalities and you discover new ways of teaching that will help them understand better. That is why teachers also grow over time, not just professionally but also personally. They become more patient, more understanding, and more creative in handling situations. Another thing to consider is the impact that teachers leave on their students. Sometimes teachers may not realize it, but even simple words of encouragement can change a student's life. A teacher is who is about to give might continue because of a teacher's support. As students who feel unimportant might gain confidence because someone believes in them. This small action can create a big difference. That is why teaching is not just about knowledge, but also about care, understanding, and connection. Teaching also helps you build strong relationships, not only with students, but also with co-teachers, parents, and the community. As a teacher, you become part of a bigger system that work together to help students succeed. You learn how to communicate, cooperate, and adjust to different situations. These are important skills that you can use not only on teaching but also in life. There are also many opportunities for growth in this profession. You can continue your study, take a master's degree, or even become a school head of principal someday. We encourage you to think carefully about your future. If you want a career that is meaningful, stable, and fulfilling, teaching is one of the best choices you can make. It may not be the easiest path, but it is definitely worth it in the end. Thank you once again for listening, and we hope that this short talk help you see the value and importance of becoming a teacher.